Hello YouTube viewers. Today I'm going to show you how to one of the safest ways to clean out your computer with your not only your antivirus but also some other softwares that I'm going to show you that you might find very helpful. Um, One of the programs is called Malware Bytes. It's anti-malware. Your link is going to be in the description, and I'm going to share right now where to download it. Just go to Google. Type in malware bytes. Um, it's going to be right here. Just click the download now. It'll automatically take you to the download page with download.com with CNET. Just click that download. You'll be waiting. As soon as you install it, I already have it. So as soon as you install it, just open it up. It'll have like a big M icon on it. The database is outdated by 10 days. Would you like to update now? This will come up very often, so just click yes, let it update. It'll download whatever it needs to do. Just wait till it finishes downloading. Alrighty, after it's done updating, it'll say the database was successfully updated from the version 3550 to the version 7448. The versions on here will be a lot different than what your might be, which is this number right here. But when you update it, this will have your latest version. Unless this video gets outdated, this will be your version right now. So you'll have this number as your second number, and this is whatever you have version right now. Should just go ahead and click OK, and you have this. The very first time you get this, I suggest exiting out of all the programs that you have open and check the full system scan. Will scan your whole system. After you're done with that, just don't worry about the full version. You don't really need the multi-language. Wait, hold on. Real-time protection, scanner updates, priority customer service. You don't need that right now. You just need the malware detection and removal for most computers. Update, you don't really need to check for updates because it automatically checks for updates at the beginning. Quarantine is where you have all of your viruses or malwares that it has found, trojans, anything like that, and it'll have the date which it was scanned and found, and the category malware, trojan, etc., and the item, which is usually the file is um, that has the virus on it. Logs is when is the last time you scanned this whole thing, and it keeps a record of all your tracks. Now it is a text document, so you can go ahead and open up your previous ones. As you can tell, it also shows the updates, by the way, which is right over here. Ignore list is all the items that you want to ignore. I would suggest avoiding putting items on the ignore list. Settings is just regular settings that you can play around with. Scanner settings, updater settings. I suggest not touching this because it can screw up your update settings. And the schedule is only available to full version. Alright. And you have the ignore this for now, you don't really need it. It just changes your cookies. Now, after you perform the full system scan, click the scan now button. Select the drives you want to scan and click the scan button. I did that not too long ago, so I don't need to do that. After you're done with your scan, go ahead and exit out of that. Well, first of all, fix all your get rid of all your malwares that it has found. And after that, the second thing I'm going to show you is your disk cleanup. Now, disk cleanup is a very useful tool. It comes on XP, Vista, Windows 7, anything, and it's going to be very useful when you try to get some more space in your hard drive, and it will be very useful for you if you're running out of room, and it will delete some stuff that you don't even use. So just right click on your local disk drive under my computer, click properties, and press the disk cleanup button. Alright, now it'll say calculating space. I'll go ahead and pause the video and return back when it's already done. Alrighty, and I am back. As soon as your disk cleanup checks your computer, you'll have this window right here opened up, and what you want to do is check everything over here that applies to it. Most of the stuff is useful, like the recycling bin. Since it's empty, it really doesn't take up any space right now, so it's kind of useless, but you would still want to check that to make sure. Stuff right here that you might not want to be deleted, make sure you uncheck it, or else it will delete it. As you can tell, temporary files makes a big difference on how much space gain I will get. So after you're done with that, check everything. Make sure you check or uncheck anything that you do or don't want, and click the OK button. And it will say, do you want to permanently delete this? Obviously you already checked right here, so just click the delete files button, and once again it will start deleting your files. Now this should be, I believe, a lot quicker than before. As you can tell, some people will have it more than others, but depends on how big your system is. um, It'll take that long of a time. Mine was pretty small, only 66 megabytes, so that was really quick. Alright, to the third thing that we're gonna do. Third and final. It is called defragmentation. Um, what you want to do is go into Start, and on your search box right here, just type in defragment, and you will have this disk defragmentor. Make sure you click on that. And as you can tell, I've never gotten it defragmented before. That's why I'm gonna do it right now. What you want to do is you make sure you do this very oftenly, because the cleaner your hard drive is, the better it is for your computer to run more smoothly and open up and close programs. Alright, the first thing you want to do is select your C drive, or whichever hard drive you're using, and click defragment disk. As it goes, it'll say it's running, and it will say analyze. Now this may take a while, and no, it is not the final process, so make sure you wait until it is done. I'll pause the video and let you know when it's complete. Alright guys, and I am back just to check up on this. As soon as you guys are done analyzing your driver, it'll have to pass a few steps. For step 1, it'll have the percentage, and it will relocate some of your files. What defragmentation basically is when you download files or install files or something, some files get mixed up. What defragmentation does, it puts it into correct folders and correct positions, so you don't have a whole bunch of files everywhere. This will take a lot longer than usual, and like I said before, I suggest not having any windows open in your taskbar or anything. And you do this most of the time, you will have to leave it running overnight or something like that, and it'll just come back the next morning and it'll be all set, and then just reboot. And once again, as soon as this is done, I'll be back to continue the video. Okay, so it's been through 5 long processes, passes. It's running around pretty smoothly so far. Um, Actually, it took me approximately only 45 minutes to get here. Um, I believe, if I'm not wrong, this is the final step. Pass 6 is the final step, and it is the longest. So, bear with it. As you can tell, it's only 3%. It's been running for about 15 minutes now, but so bear with it, and trust me, it's a lot worth it. Keeps your computer clean and everything. And another thing that I want to go over while this is running in the background is your internet. I'm currently using Symantec, and I don't know what you guys are using, but the antivirus is a really big help. So, um, you know, make sure you scan for threats, monthly, daily, if you can. Um, it is very useful tool that people use, and you can also, like any other antivirus program, you can view your logs and stuff like that. Um, if you guys want, I do use free software called AVAST on my other laptop. Um, I believe it's avast.com. Yes, it is right here. To download Avast, it is free. Avast is free. You can it updates by itself, so you don't have to go back to the website each time to update it. And you can, as always, like any other program, upgrade for the full version. But so as of right now, I didn't find any need to go to the full version. What you can do is, this one is free, as you can see. The Avast antivirus is free. You can upgrade to the one second to the Pro, and it gives you advanced protection antivirus with more features. Like I said before, I do not uh, need this as of this moment. My other computer was running fine. And the internet security, make sure you guys know which ones you buy. This is for internet, that's for computer. Two different things. Don't buy this and expect it to find viruses on your computer that has nothing to do with the internet. Make sure you guys get this one if you want to get the full version. But as I was saying before, this one right here is free, completely free. I had no problems with it whatsoever, and like I said, you don't have to keep going back to the website to keep updating it. Some antiviruses tell you, oh, there's an update, go to the website to download it now. You don't have to do that. Every time you turn on the computer, it checks for updates, and it'll tell you in voice, Avast database has been updated, so you don't have to worry about that. Alright, so that's just another quick tip for you. Once again, it's called Avast. It's both for home and business, depends what you are using. Now let's go back to this. What do you know, 5%. Um, like before, I'll pause the video and I'll come back whenever this is finished. Okay guys, I'm back, and as you can tell, the defragmentation is done. It will return back to how it originally was, with your to analyze and defragment button, and ignore the 0% fragmented. It's already done that. It just means that if you want to do it again, it says 0%. This was one of my three easiest ways to keep your computer safe. I suggest following those, and your computer should be secure. This is Knights from UT, and I'll see you guys later.